This is the Oiiwak portable tri-screen monitor, a dual screen attachment for laptops and notebooks which you can take with you on the go. Let's jump in. Let's unbox it and see what we got. There's a user guide to guide you through the setup. This specific model is for 13 to 16 inch laptops or notebooks. It has two 14 inch full HD displays. There is a magnetic cover which magnetically attaches to the housing of the displays to keep it safe for travel. The center area is where the laptop screen would go, and the right side pulls out so it can be wrapped around your laptop screen. On either screen, there's a brightness toggle and a power button to be able to turn the screen on and off. There's also a mini HDMI port and two USB-C ports on either display to connect to the laptop with. On the back, there's an adjustable kickstand to help you support the display assembly. The entire assembly isn't too heavy at all, which makes it much easier to be able to carry it around with you wherever you go. It definitely beats carrying around actual monitors with you. There are two included USB-A and USB-C cables, two HDMI to mini HDMI cables, and two USB-C to USB-C cables. There are also printed directions on the inside lid of the box. Now you'll need to make sure your laptop has an HDMI port, and if not, you would need a USB 3.0 port with an HDMI adapter. Or if your laptop has a USB-C port or Thunderbolt port, that'll work as well. Examples are provided on the bottom. If you're using two USB-C ports, then all you need is one USB-C cable on each screen, connecting it to the computer. For another type of setup, say for example if you don't have more than one USB-C port available, you can use one USB-C cable for one monitor and the USB-A and HDMI cable for the second, since the USB port would only provide power to the display, and you need the HDMI to provide signal to the display, unlike the USB-C port which does both in one. And if you don't have any USB-C ports, then you would have to use a USB cable and HDMI on one display, and a USB-A and an HDMI adapter on the second display, since there are usually only one HDMI port on laptops. And in addition to that, you need a USB port for power on that second display. Here's a look at it once it's set up. Since this laptop has two USB-C ports, I was able to just use two cables to connect the displays to the laptop. The display brightness can easily be adjusted as needed. The display can be folded in or open to a flat position and can move back and forth with the laptop screen as needed. Once you're done, the assembly can easily be disconnected and folded away to store or take with you wherever you may need to go. Overall, this portable tri-screen monitor is a convenient product which has crisp displays and provides a hassle-free solution to those who may need secondary displays for their laptops. I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.